Hi everyone, we've just arrived at Brighton Station. We came from London Bridge, it was only an hour on the train, and now we're excited to go meet the developer YAH and discuss the project, and we're excited to show everybody around it. Hi everyone, this is Tom for You Are Home, our developer. So Tom, can you tell us about You Are Home and your experience?
Yeah, absolutely, Ollie. So You Are Home's been around since 2014. We were set up by our co-founders, Jennifer and Damien, and they have been in the property sphere since 2007. So we started off with small-scale refurbs and have very organically over the years moved up to much larger projects like we're standing in today. So we did a Grade 1 listed conversion in the centre of Hove a couple of years ago. We've just finished another beautiful conversion in Preston Park for 7 apartments and 2 houses at the rear. And really, Exton House is the pinnacle in what we've done so far. So Exton House, we're able to safeguard future generations, we're able to restore the original features like the really deep skirting, the dado, the cornice, and really ensure that not only is this building here to enjoy for another 100 years, but its environmental credentials are brought up to standard. So we will be targeting each apartment to go up to at least an EPC C through insulation and more modern heating and electrics.
Excellent. And then, yeah, in terms of the sales, I know you've got some sales coming in. Let's talk about that.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're very fortunate to have a very well-known brand in the city, and also have product that's finished. So the Park Avenue development that I just mentioned reached PC earlier this year, and we've got 1 unit there that's currently just going through conveyancing. So we've been able to showcase that to anyone that's been potentially interested in Exton House, even though we haven't got any formal collateral out at the moment. And off the back of that, we've achieved 2 early bird sales, and are very buoyed by the fact that both of those are at very strong pricing and will enable us to de-risk the sites at a very early stage.
Excellent. So yeah, so in terms of de-risking it, from what our research and talking to you guys, like you have so many of these types of projects that you've done, these big Edwardian ones. You've got the brand now, You Are Home, so you're very well known for this type of product. So it's so good to hear that all this hard work is paying off with all these pre-sales happening. And then in terms of just this specific asset, what's the main sell points for it?
The main sales points here are the fact that you are only one of 11 apartments in really this amazing building that is going to be refurbed to its former glory. And in the apartments themselves, you've got most generous proportions with ceiling heights over 3 meters in most apartments. You've got the most beautiful bay windows and a huge proportion of rooms. So you've got all the modern conveniences of a new build home, but in the shell of a period property.
Yeah, so I mean, in terms of the Brighton and Hove market, how is it?
So the Brighton and Hove market has always been very resilient. If you look at historically the ups and downs within the market, Brighton's always been the first to rebound, and as such, we've always felt a huge confidence within the market. As general, the UK market has been slow over the last year, but we have seen things markedly pick up in the last 4 to 6 weeks, and we are very confident with the fact that we've got 2 early sales on this that come PC will be within a matter of months to achieve the last sale out.
Yes, I mean, what we like so much about Brighton is not just like a coastal town. It's got its own, retail, hospitality, commercial. Commuters go to London. People like coming from London to live here. So it's got so many different types of drivers. It's not just reliant on one economy. So, I mean, it's a great location. It's very sustainable from that point of view. No,
absolutely. It's own being Brighton and Hove. You're an hour into central London. You're 30 minutes away from Gatwick Airport. 45-50 minutes away from Heathrow, so yeah, it works extremely well.
Excellent. All right, and we really look forward to seeing the rest of the progress in the next coming months.
Absolutely.
All right. So we just finished up with Tom at UR Home at the development site. I'm so pleased that we were able to speak to Tom and find out about the progress and the sales reservations that have come in, which is, you know, a really successful aspect of the project. I'm just in Brighton at the moment, just to add on what Tom was saying. So unlike any other seaside town, this area in Brighton, it's got such good commercial, retail, hospitality, job market. It's got the universities. It's got so much more to offer than just a seaside town, and this has been a really great trip for us. You know, we've seen the developer, the progress and everything, and if you want to invest, please get in touch with our investment team who gladly help.